Welcome to your order fulfillment guide. We'll show you how to prepare products for tomorrow's pickups, how to hand them over to customers, and manage the returns. Open your orders from the left side menu. Let's start by preparing an order for later fulfillment. Click on the order you want to prepare. Now assign an article ID to each product. This step is crucial. It ensures you know exactly which item the customer receives. Click the ID field to see all available items. In this example, we have only one leaf blower available, while the others are already marked as in use, meaning they're rented out to someone else. When you made sure the item is ready, mark the order as prepared. Now the order shows everyone in the team that it is prepared and ready for the customer to pick up. Now let's look into starting an order. When your customer arrives to pick up their rental, locate their order in the Upcoming tab and click to open it. If the order is not prepared yet, assign the unique article IDs to the products. This ensures you can track which customer receives which specific item. Check the payment status and mark the order as paid in the system if needed. Once you've handed over the products to the customer, click Start to begin the order. Starting orders on time is key to tracking your items. Go back to see what happens if you don't click Start when a customer picks up their products. If an order is not started on the day it was scheduled for, it will move to the expired status. Here you can see the first order was scheduled to start weeks ago. The expired start date and time are highlighted in red. Let's review how to cancel an order. Sometimes you may need to cancel an order completely. Locate the order and click on it to proceed. Click the Cancel Order button at the bottom right of the screen. Canceling an order frees up the products that were previously reserved. They are now available again for other customers to book. Finally, let's see how to end orders. All orders that are currently out with customers can be found under your active orders. These are sorted by expected return date. Let's find and open the customer's order. Now we have two options, depending on if the customer returns all products or just a part of the order. Let's look at both cases. If the customer returns only a part of the order, click on the products they are bringing back. Now the buttons at the top will change. Click Return to mark the product as back in store. If the customer is returning all items, you can click the End Order button to mark everything as returned. It's a good practice to check the condition of the items while the customer is still there, if possible. The return time is now recorded. Let's navigate back to the orders view to see what happens to the order itself. You'll see the order has moved from active to completed. That's it. The order is now complete and the items are ready for their next rental.